Hello, and in today's video I will show you how to make a calibration cube, slice it, and print it. Before we start, you need a TinkerCad account and UltimakerCura. Now, let's get into it. First, drag a cube onto the work plane. Do not drag the text onto it. Set the dimensions of the cube to 60, 60, 60. Place the text onto the cube. Set the text to say X. Scale it up to your size liking. Set it to whole. Drag it into the cube. Copy it. Drag it out. Rotate it to 90 degrees. And set the text to Y. Drag it into the cube. Copy X, rotate the top to 90 degrees, set your camera to down, drag it into the cube, fully into the cube, just like that. Set the text to Z and flip it. Now select all and merge. Click Export STL. Name it whatever you want, but save it to a folder. Open UltimakerCura. Click on the folder and find where you have saved the calibration cube. Open it. Click on it, select scale, and set the size to 50%. Set the detail to low quality and slice it. Right now I am just fixing the infill, so you can skip this step, but if you want to watch it, you can. If you followed this, reslice it. I'm still fixing it for some reason. Reslice it. Plug in your SD card or TF. A pop-up should appear saying save to removable drive, and click it. Then, once it says file saved, click eject. Right now, I'm just showing you how to take it out correctly. If you know how to do this, skip it. Alright, now that we have that taken out, go to the 3D printer, put in your card, turn the 3D printer on, wait for it to start up. I'm currently leveling it. Very dusty print bed, I need to clean it. If you want to know what this 3D printer is, it is the, I'm printing it right now, but it is the Creatality CR6 SE. I am cleaning the bed off of what I've printed. Results in 3, 2, 1. There you go. And that is how you how you design, print, and slice a calibration cube. Alright, this is after I edited and recorded everything, but my sister would like to say something.
Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.